about to go into pre-admission so that way he can get registered and stuff to get his procedure going. He's gonna walk out a new money. That's his mom. She got the biggest butt in the world. So yeah, guys, we on our way in here. Pray for my husband. He's about to get his hip replacement done today. You excited, babe? No. God got you. You're not gonna be walking like that no more. That's gonna be a good thing. So we're thinking positive. So guys, I'll talk to you guys when he get out of surgery.
It's about to go down. All
Before you know it, it's gonna be over.
keep me in your prayers. Michael Jackson moonwalking out of this motherfucker. Hitting flips. About to have a whole new hit. Another chapter of my life. I'm at St. Mary's. One of the best orthopedics. Top dollar.
You're gonna be fine, babe. We about to get this done and over with.
Make sure you got that health insurance. For real.
Alright guys, we're just waiting for the nurse to come in to start his IV. And I'll keep you guys up to date with what's going on. These are his wipes that he has to wipe the location where he's having his procedure done at, so they gave him some wipes. We're trying to wait for the nurse to come in now to make sure. Should we do it now or wait?
I think I need to do it now.
You think you need to do it now? I'm waiting for the nurse to come in. Let me see if I can find her. Okay. So he's wiping the area where he's having a procedure done at. And he has to do it 30 seconds. Well, he has to do it for 30 seconds. So if you're having hip replacement done, this is what you have to go through to start your procedure. Alrighty, all prepped. Waiting for the nurse to start his IVs. Don't be scared, babe. Yeah, it's November the 13th, 2023. And his nurse is Mary Beth. We're just waiting for her right now to come in and explain everything that he has to do.
Temperature, we go right across the forehead.
I'm nervous.
Is there anything in particular that you're nervous about, or just the whole thing? Pain, waking up? Okay.
Going under.
Okay. And we have reversal agents for anything that they put you to sleep, so everybody wakes up, okay? Everybody, right? We have wonderful pain medicines, so if you need something for pain, you just say something, okay? I'm also gonna be pre-medicating you with some medicine as well.
And you just had a birthday, but you tell me what it is.
10/10/75.
10/10/75. And did he mark you?
Yeah.
All right, let's see that. Okay, great. And we're gonna do a spinal today. You're gonna love it. Got your antibiotic. We got some decompression.
So can you tell me, Sherry, how the spinal actually works? Like,
How it actually
yeah,
works.
you stick it. Okay.
Yeah, and then like you have like your spinal cord is engulfed in cerebral spinal fluid. So so everything can move around, but it's bathed in that fluid.
Yeah.
And we put it in that fluid, and then it numbs all the nerves. And then I
Everything.
give him sedation on top.
So he can just go to sleep.
Just go to sleep.
Yeah.
And if he wakes up at any point, gets to look at this beautiful baby, usually you're like, yeah, I'm good, and you go right off. It's nice. It's a good thing.
Yeah.
I even brought some. You can have anything you want, all
On
right?
his way.
But I get younger and prettier. You're drinking, I'm driving. That's my usual statements I make to everybody.
Now that we're out of recovery, he's just sitting here waiting for the doctor to actually give him the go so he can go home. How you feeling, babe?
I'm a soldier. I'm a soldier.
That's good.
It's in a little pain, but little pain, but I'm bearing
Let
it.
people know how the surgery went.
Bearing it, man. Like a piece of cake. I didn't even know it.
Yeah.
I was out like a light.
And
I didn't even know it was this late.
what would you advise people that ever want to get a hip replacement?
But if you're in pain, just do it.
Now you can share your story with other people now. Let them know.
I really let you know when I get back walking. When I moonwalk out of this one. When I get to doing them back flips, I really let you know. When I'm running that 5K. When I run that 5K, I'll be all right. Thank you.
Thank you, Jesus.
Yes, thank you, Jesus.
Just glad I woke up.
That's the main thing.
Mm-hmm.
Feeling better.
Yeah.
Here's some ice chips. We'll take it easy.
All right, guys. The
Yeah,
nurse came
just,
back in, so we'll talk to you guys
just
later.
Take it easy, 'cause
Yeah.
my stomach is.
So we're on our way so he can do physical therapy and making sure that he's able to walk while he's home and making sure that he can do all the things that he needs to do as far as putting on his socks, his clothes. We're on our way down to physical therapy, like I said, and I'm gonna vlog that as well, so yeah. Talk to you guys when we get down here.
Accidentally cross at the ankles, you're probably not going to put enough stress to dislocate you down when you're doing it. But you definitely cannot cross at the knee. It's too much twisting and pressure.
At least they didn't try.
How you feel, Darren? I can tell where your fingers are tapping.
The other one's ready. Who's doing that?
Oh, that's the adjustable cane. My grandma gave him one of those, but it's good to have its
Does it
own.
have the pad?
Yeah, she even gave him one that got the four
Oh, wow.
prong things at the bottom.
Yeah. That's nice.
Yeah.
Is that the
So we're down here at physical therapy, guys.
Hey, Brenda, the other
I'm not gonna
joint is
vlog too
ready.
much because I don't want them to even know that I'm on my camera.
Okay. Okay.
So
Yeah, I believe, that's
So
the,
yeah, size it to the height of the walker. You're just going to use
I
this
didn't
for
ask.
stairs.
they're just giving him instructions on what to do.
This to the cane. So
Maybe
don't
I
go to
could
the
try
cane
to
by
until they
yourself.
tell
So
me
if
I
you get off the
can't.
cane,
No, that's an A.
it's always in the opposite side. So if you have
That's
your
the
right
same
hip
day.
done, the cane's on the left side. If you try to walk and you're all right. All right, so come on. Yeah, I'll get the walker out of the way. Grab the right railing. I'm gonna rotate this out. And then we're gonna give you, you're not gonna have a rail on the other side, so you're gonna have to use the cane for support. Okay. Go up to the front of the steps. So one step at a time. Go up with your good leg. So the left leg first. Right leg to the same level. Up with the left one again. And you're just doing that and just repeating it. You know, left, right, all the way up. Left, right. Okay. Turn towards the right railing. So when you come down, you just gotta switch the cane to the other hand. Alright, so come up to the edge. Don't step down yet. So what you're gonna do is put the cane down first, step down with the right leg. So it's down with the bad.
At the bad leg.
Yep. Okay, cane, right leg down. Just favors it, so you don't get a shot of pain and you buckle on the stair. One more. So obviously have them with you when you're doing steps. You probably don't want to do it more than once or twice a day, you know? Just go up there to sleep, come hang downstairs in the morning, you know, and then always
Okay.
have someone with you at first.
Okay.
Okay.
How many steps you have?
We have
You got
Come back over, we can get
Probably like
Stair and
8.
get dressed.
but the man cave probably got like
We
5.
don't really want you to try the shower till the home
And-
therapist is at
Oh,
your
okay,
house.
okay, okay.
The
yeah.
porch probably like 4 or 3.
Just because there's a
Not-
lot of nuances in
I never
everyone's
counted.
house, and
So
some
which
people have
way are
things
we
they should
taking
hang
him
on
in?
to, and some people
I
have
would
things they
prefer
shouldn't hang
going in
on
the
to.
back, but
So
if
let
he
them
wanna,
I mean,
for
where's
Oh,
he
they'll check
sleeping?
it out
Because
when they
he's,
come, okay,
Yep.
then they let
he's
me-
saying his bed and then,
So
he
Katie's gonna
can
go over
sleep
showing you
down
how
on
to
the-
use the
if he's
tools to
gonna be
get
more
dressed, and
comfortable.
You walk, step with the right leg first, actually.
yeah,
Try to lead
I
with
think
that
we
one,
just
and
go
then
through the back
walk.
and then down the line he can start trying to go
Walk
through
the
the
right
front.
yeah,
What you think?
I think that's right.
Yeah, right
Yeah,
now.
exactly. This is
Because
the
he,
first day.
exactly, this the first day,
Yeah,
So
so
he
so,
you
needs
go
to
left
be
or right of the chair.
downstairs.
right. Until he's tired of sleeping like that.
Yeah.
Yeah, he's been walking for 47 years with that foot in.
Yeah.
Bending
Okay,
down.
got you. So it could be there, I got you.
Yeah.
All right.
There you go. And then you just slowly start pulling up to your, like above your heel.
Do I need the grab stick now?
No, you can just keep pulling.
Oh, okay.
You can bend your knee a little bit too. That
Oh, I
might be
got you.
helpful.
Yeah, yeah.
Yep, and there
Oh,
you
okay.
go.
Oh, that's so
Oh, yeah,
cool.
all right.
So now I want you to
Oh, that went
try.
right on.
Yeah.
I always say whoever invented this is a
Yeah.
billionaire.
Yes.
Yeah, right. Yeah,
I'm like, I
yeah.
wish I did.
Yeah, me too.
Right.
That was
So
a
you
good
put
one,
your
right?
sock on top of there.
It's probably somebody that worked in this field thought about it.
Or somebody that was injured and thought about it. How
Yeah.
can I do this?
And then you
Perfect.
place your foot inside of there. And you pull it. Oh, wow.
That is
That's so amazing.
cool.
Yes.
Yeah.
And that's the
That's
sock
my
So
sock.
she's
suction.
showing how you dress yourself.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
He's on his way out.
Love like a fantasy.